Tesla Inc., the world's biggest automaker by market esteem, plans, assembles and showcases completely electric vehicles with modern capabilities. Tesla makes and sells average-sized cars, standard-sized vehicles, and minimized and moderate-sized sports utility vehicles. But hold on, this video is not about EV cars. Today, we'll be talking about Tesla shares. Hey guys, welcome to the Tech Edge channel. This is the place to go for all the latest news, gadgets, and innovations in the world of tech. We cover everything from electric cars and Tesla to new technologies and incredible inventions that actually exist. You won't believe what you find here. Subscribe today to be the first to know about the latest news. Thank you, and enjoy. So let's learn a little about Tesla and its presence in the stock world. Tesla was established in 2003 as Tesla Motors by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Elon Musk put resources into the organization and turned it into its seat the following year. An out-of-court settlement of Eberhard's claim against Musk after Eberhard's ouster as CEO permitted the two men to call themselves fellow benefactors, alongside Tarpenning and early recruits Ian Wright and J.B. Straubel. The organization was established as a producer of electric vehicles and related parts, and has hence ventured into energy age and energy stockpiling items. Tesla opened up to the world in a first sale of stock IPO on June 29, 2010. In 2021, Tesla moved its headquarters to Austin, Texas from its longtime home in Palo Alto, California. Musk is Tesla's chief executive officer. Tesla's stock is grouped with the consumer discretionary sector for investing purposes. Tesla's main rivals include established automakers such as Ford Motor Company and General Motors Company, GM, as well as newer, faster-growing electric vehicle makers like Lucid Group Incorporated, LCID, and China-based NIO Incorporated, NIO. In FY 2021, which ended December 31, 2021, Tesla posted a net income of $5.6 billion on revenue of $53.8 billion. The recent 2% increase. Tesla's capacity to explore a worldwide inventory crunch and surpass Wall Street assumptions has given its stock an intriguing qualification among huge, quickly developing organizations. It's ready to delete the majority of its misfortunes for the year. The electric vehicle creator's profit showed that Elon Musk's organization has dealt with the deficiencies, yet in addition prevailed with regards to safeguarding its edges by raising costs on its vehicles. The stock rose as much as 10.5% to $1,079.90 in New York recently, bringing about an almost 2% increase for the year. A maverick move. Tesla is the main New York FANG Plus part to clear off year-to-date misfortunes. Tesla is frequently contrasted with the supported FANG stocks, which have long delighted in comparative notoriety as quickly developing organizations with high valuations and committed fan bases among financial backers. However, while a significant number of those organizations battle to draw in new clients in somewhat immersed markets, Tesla is still during the time spent sloping up the creation and has a huge undiscovered addressable market. Tesla enjoys one critical upper hand over most tech names. It's still in the early innings of its development story, said Nicholas Colas, fellow benefactor of DataTrek Research. In that regard, it's not quite the same as Netflix or Facebook, or even Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. That large number of organizations have an extraordinary piece of the pie, yet the development stories are less strong than Tesla's. The financial and political background additionally hasn't scratched the financial backers' excitement for Tesla shares. Rising expansion, more tight financial arrangement from the U.S. National Bank, and the conflict in Ukraine have burdened stocks with high valuations this year, as financial backers look for shelter in more secure speculations. However, Tesla, at multiple times assessed profit for the following year, is more costly than the FANG stocks, and furthermore of a more extensive gathering of comparable organizations in the NYSE FANG Plus Index. Nevertheless, beating those peers is made do. Tesla likewise has left more modest EV organizations in the back view. While Tesla shares rose practically 16% over the course of the last month, Rivian Automotive Incorporated and furthermore Lucid Group Incorporated have fallen more than 14%, carrying their year-to-date misfortunes to an incredible 64% and 43% separately. The versatility of Tesla shares mirrored the organization's situation as the main mature EV organization, as different new businesses battled to adapt to the inventory network inconveniences and take off expenses of unrefined substances. It has additionally fared better compared to greater volume rivals like General Motors and furthermore Ford Motor Company, whose offers are down 28% and 22% individually. Tesla's excessive cost-profit proportion doesn't stop its most impassioned adherents. Simply last week, Cathie Wood's ARK Investment Management refreshed its cost focus for the stock and presently anticipates that it should more than quadruple to $4,600 by 2026. A portion of their superior valuation originates from the way that they're still moderately right off the bat in their life cycle, and that electric vehicle as an industry is as yet an early piece of its life cycle, said Steve Sosnick, a boss specialist in Interactive Brokers LLC. So what is Sergey Brin doing with his Tesla shares? Sergey Brin, an early Tesla financial backer, might be ready to take more than $100 million by trading out his stake in Elon Musk's automaker. The Google co-founder and previous Alphabet president have educated his monetary counsels to sell his own situations in Musk's organizations. After the Tesla CEO had a concise illicit relationship with Brin's significant other that prodded Brin to seek legal separation recently, the Wall Street Journal provided details regarding Sunday, referring to individuals acquainted with the present circumstance. The journal couldn't get familiar with the size of Brin's interests in Musk's organizations, or whether he's discarded them as of now. Tesla and Alphabet didn't quickly answer demands for input from insiders. Musk has excused cases of an illicit relationship as absolute BS on Twitter. Brin bet an obscure sum on Tesla in 2006, assisting the beginning electric vehicle company with accompanying to rise a sum of $40 million. He furrowed another $500,000 into the car maker in December 2008 as a component of another $40 million. Gathering pledges that were enough to keep the lights on only a tad while longer. Creator Hamish McKenzie wrote in Crazy Mode how Elon Musk's Tesla sparked an electric revolution. Be that as it may, Brin's name doesn't show up in any of Tesla's SEC filings, demonstrating he's never claimed over 5% of the organization and sold no offers when it opened up to the world in June 2010. Subsequently, the size and worth of Brin's Tesla stake and whether he sold it stays middled. In any case, in the event that we safely accept that Brin claimed $500,000 of Tesla stock following the organization's IPO, his stake would be worth more than $100 million today. Tesla shares have soared from under a split-changed $4 when they were first recorded in 2010 to more than $800 as of Friday's around 200 overlay gain. Tesla's taking off stock costs have created immense additions for different investors as well. Profit Prime supporter Larry Ellison, who declared in June that he was venturing down from Tesla's board, claimed around 15 million portions of the organization as of March 31st. He spent about $1 billion on this position, which is presently esteemed at the north of $12 billion. Besides, Musk possessed 265 million Tesla shares at the last count, a stake worth $217 billion as of Friday. Tesla sells a majority of Bitcoin after a turbulent crypto foray. Tesla Inc. sold a huge lump of its stake in Bitcoin, a venture that legitimized the world's biggest electronic cash. As of the finish of Q2, we have changed over roughly 75% of our Bitcoin buys into government-issued money, Tesla said in an investor letter Wednesday as a feature of the organization's profit record. Changes in Q2 added $936 million of money to our monetary record. The electric vehicle producer revealed in Friday 2021 that it had put $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and hence sold 10% of its stake that April. Tesla said Wednesday its computerized resources have contracted to $218 million and that a Bitcoin impedance hurt second quarter productivity. Tesla Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk said on the income telephone call that the organization offered Bitcoin to amplify its money position as a result of vulnerability connected with the COVID closures. He noticed that the deal ought not to be viewed as some decision on Bitcoin. The digital money has withdrawn from a high record of nearly $69,000 in November. The biggest digital money by market esteem deleted gains after the deals were revealed, falling as much as 1.6% to $22.928. Musk has turned into an enormous powerhouse in digital currency. He has tweeted well about Dogecoin as another option and posted photographs of his canine Floki, which, like the Dogecoin mascot, is a Shiba Inu. At the point when Tesla held a huge party for its new Austin production line in April, a robot show highlighted a Dogecoin picture. Musk's embrace of Bitcoin had helped act as an impetus for digital money after Tesla momentarily acknowledged the token for buys. However, it later suspended the installment choice, referring to natural worries about its mining processes. The further pullback denotes a hawkish move from one of the crypto area's most unmistakable bulls during what has been named a crypto winter. In any case, Musk has situated himself as supportive of crypto, implying lately that his other organization, SpaceX, may join Tesla in accepting Dogecoin for merchandise purchases in the future. Alright folks, that was all from today's video. We hope you liked the content. Subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks, and goodbye.